Testing. Testing. Okay, so audio's coming through there. Testing. Goes. Testing. All right, so we're gonna crank that up. Sam?
Yes.
Emotes.
Yes.
That's fixed.
What are you doing? Say you've been gone. I'm testing out a stream, and I'm streaming it via the internet internally from one computer to the next. We got a guinea, just YouTube right now, just YouTube specifically. You know, once I get that all sourced and filtered, like it took a second to get, like you have to have OBS up on the main computer. And that's where it hurts you, because you can't do what I'm doing, where I have my MacBook running the stream, doing all the work. But OBS, I'm not doing crap on my gaming PC. It's all getting transmitted to here from my OBS. That's how I avoid the camera. Well, I'm going to be, trust me, in OBS, I'm going to be connecting it to Restream so I can stream to two places at once. But the thing that I need you to do, once I get the chat going, or whenever you're back, I just need you to start funneling in bullshit chat. And visual. No, just YouTube right now because I'm trying to keep it controlled.
Okay. I will say though, when you do it though, you need to try and get Kick up as running as fast as possible.
I have a Kick. Do you realize I have a Kick account? The only thing I'm not doing right now is broadcasting. I'm trying to reset up a whole new streaming software. Streamlab is supported on Mac. OBS is. So that's why I'm resetting up.
Yes.
Yeah. The reason why I need you at some point to get back in is I need to test the chat, because I finally got the desktop audio, all that, and we need to see how the volumes are. We need to see how all that crap. And you want me to do all the real time
Streamlabs is that like I can't, like Streamlabs I have no one with when it comes to gaming. So like on my stream I can do Kick and Twitch right? But when I get like when I go to
You don't have to do any of that.
I mean, I'm updating my OBS just because if I can get Streamlab, like I like OBS Studio, because like with the light stream, I don't pay for it, right? So I get the free version. So like that's why whenever I hire, I try to hire just to because I'm never gonna get on Twitch, right? So I do all my stuff on just my Kin journal, so I have all my alerts and all that. But like I don't have like this whole movie on a console, right? So like I don't have my whole chat. So like if I pull on OBS or like the light stream, what I have is my alert, my notifications, my phones, and all of that other stuff populating my light stream viewer. It will work better. But if I can get Streamlabs or Streamlabs, a console, then I can stream from Streamlabs to Twitch and Kick and then use OBS Studio without a capture card because it's built into console.
Streamlabs is you can just go to Restream.io and you can do both from Streamlabs. That's how I used to do it. How I have it. So
If you're on PC though,
it doesn't matter. You should be able
the
to.
console I can stream directly to Twitch, Livestream, or Streamlabs. I can do all three.
Oh, well, okay, hang on. So you can stream the Streamlabs. So then all we gotta do is set up in your Streamlabs, Restream.io, which then goes from Streamlabs out.
But this is what I'm looking for because I have been plugging for OBS and Streamlabs. So like I have my Streamlabs chat up, but the problem is that when I go to Streamlabs and I go live, I don't go live on Kick, I go live on Twitch, even though I have a current LGP in there. So, like, let's see here. Streamlabs plugging in. Let's see, Twitch is in stream. Are you in Discord?
Yeah, I'm sitting there right now.
I wish I could rename these.
Today on the tutorial, you head to which is Mike, and I want to rename Mike and Orc. So if you hit over here where it says the little cog wheel, let's proceed.
Alright.
Welcome
Hold on.
Settings. Hit that. Go down to the fourth one, which says rename. Click on it.
Let's move this.
OBS. I can't rename
Look at those.
these. Okay, I see my mic. I see yours. I see the desktop if I was to have it enabled right now.
Wait, are you in here?
Yeah. Oh,
I can't hear anything you're saying if you're talking.
is that better?
Yes.
I was muting myself in here so you didn't hear me go test, 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 blah, 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 blah.
Now you can rename it
No,
to
you're
whatever
fine.
you do.
I'm trying to.
And there you go. As you can see, my Mike/Orcs has been renamed to Mike.
So what's fun is I have to run an old version of OBS.
What OBS are you running?
Well, 29.0.2 because the MacBook can only take
Yeah.
29.0.2. Which,
Yeah,
trust me,
I'm
that
on
was an,
3204.
yeah, I would prefer to be on the most updated one, but right now, to avoid the capture card, that is how I was able to go into older settings, get older shit to work, and that's why it's been such a pain in my butt, is to get all this functioning. The thing I don't like, and this is what I'm curious about, if I go to my task manager. Oh yeah, we're not using shit. That's way better. I have to have OBS open on my desktop, so that way the NDI sends them broadcasts.
But where do you add your source on OBS? Alright, hold
I'm
on.
just gonna
Oh, here we
show
go.
stream.
Output.
All right, I gotta figure it out too because I
Recording.
don't know any of this. Tools.
Whoa. Stream. Stream service. Here we go.
Because I see the audio mixer, and I see the sources, and I see the scenes. I think it might be sources though.
Alright, let me go. No, it's under stream settings and then go to stream. Sources is not it.
No, I'm talking about for me. I'm looking for something else.
Cause I'm trying to. Where's my stream key at? That's what I'm trying to do right now. Nope. What?
So that's where we're getting all that. It's now be coming from here. That's the audio mixer from the NVI. How can I relabel this stuff? Because in Streamlabs, what's really nice is you can relabel the stuff quickly.
I'm getting my stream key and URL right now.
Yeah, you gotta do all that fun stuff. I'm not even getting to that point yet. Trying to get
Well,
chats to pop
Hold
up, alerts. Let's see here. Why is this no happy? Let's see what does Streamlabs have on? Because there's no. I want to update you. Streamlabs and OBS are basically the same thing. One's a little bit easier.
OBS is a thing that you can use, and then Streamlabs OBS supports a plugin for that. I wonder if server is my URL. Where's my Google Authenticator at?
Again, for you, I can stream directly with OBS. But there's
Correct.
things in Streamlabs that make it a lot easier to figure out. It's under sources. So how would we add? You know what? We're just going to YouTube it. How to add chat
There we go.
box to OBS. Because I don't need Streamlabs. Streamlabs is add chat box. Here we go. Step-by-step guide.
Planet Fitness. We're all strong on this
The reason
planet.
why people use Streamlabs is a
more,
lot more
everybody.
integrated, a lot more user-friendly, makes a lot more sense.
Tired of wasting hours on
And,
site
I'm trying
migrations?
to
It's
fix
just
my
a
URL.
open
high
source
performance
software.
Hi, welcome back and a project for display. Step 1. Launch OBS Studio if you haven't already. Create or choosing the scene where you want to add the chat box. Step 3. Right click on the sources box and choose add. Go to browser. Step 4. Name the source, for example, chat box. Then go ahead and click OK. Now check the local file option. Then click browse and
Oh, you can
choose
stream to OnlyFans.
HTML file that represents your chat box. You can't use services like Streamlabs, Stream Elements, or
Heard of
custom HTML or CSS. Step 5. Set elements services that represents your chat box. You can't choose on HTML.
What you want to do is save hundreds when Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance.
That's great, but can you ask your friend to stop digging into the green?
Because like it's funny,
HTML
like
file
if I
that
open my
represents your
Streamlabs,
choice
I'm getting
on-
all my
Then click
stuff,
Browse
my notifications.
and choose on HTML file that represents your chat box. You can't use services like Streamlabs, Stream LML. Step 5. Set the width and height to fit you on the screen. Click OK to add the browser source. Step 7. Open device test properly. Ensure that your streaming platform's chat service is integrated.
That was Cheater Pumpkin Eater.
Matter to where it says click to show widget URL. All you have to do is go to all widgets on the top. Look at it, it just looks weird, right? So apps, and then a website will show up. Just get it done in 30 seconds. See a bunch of options if you keep scrolling down, but we are really looking for is the chat box, which is right here on the right side. Once you get here, you can customize with any font you want, any color, any bulkiness, the size, whatever you want to customize your chat with, it would be right here. An example, chunky, you can change it to show the OBS, and all you do is press the copy button right here. As you can see, we are on the OBS, and I'll show you how to put it in. All you have to do is press this plus next to sources.
Okay, so I just gotta do the work. Let's see here. We can probably get this webcam video source. All right, let's just do that.
Really is super straightforward and simple. Just like screen capture, NDI screen capture, which we looked at in our last video, NDI webcam input is an application that really runs in the background. It will be found in your system tray, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment, and available webcam input that works running and works like Zoom. So let's go to the system tray here. I want to show NDI virtual input. And you'll see here that a list of available NDI sources are already showing up. I have selected a front camera that's in my studio. These are all different NDI sources on my network. And I don't have any audio set up. Just you have the 0 dB level. And then for video, we have it at 720p
Eating the bubble food from last night, so
that's perfect for Zoom. But we could go to 1080p 30 as well, which I will do because I have upgraded our Zoom session actually to include 1080p support. So doesn't hurt. Okay. So now over in Zoom, if we zoom out here, what we'll see is that I actually have NDI video connected as my webcam. So in Zoom, we are seeing that instead of a webcam, I do have a regular webcam here connected. Instead of a webcam, we have, the webcam's being used by, you know why that didn't show up? Because the webcam is actually being used by NDI screen capture, if you remember that from our last video.
All right.
Anyway, now it's available.
That is
that is one thing I guess it's worth mentioning is that, usually a webcam source can only be used by one application at a time. NDI kind of helps us get around that a little bit. So here's our NDI video. You can see it's incredibly low latency, it's high quality, and it's coming in over the Ethernet network, right? The IP network that we have. If we wanted to change the camera that we're looking at, like let's say my iPhone, for example, it'll come right in via NDI virtual input. So cool way to switch cameras directly into Zoom via a lot of different options. So that's a little demo of it working here. Again, it'll work with any NDI video source on your local area network, allowing you to virtualize it and make it available as a USB webcam. So that's it. It's really that simple. There's not a whole lot more to show. The key takeaways is it's a totally free tool available in the NDI toolkit. It can make any NDI video source available as a webcam in your source. And it's just a small little application that runs in the background. It's in your system tray, so you can configure it. And at large, when you think about it, if you're in that Zoom meeting or that GoToMeeting session and you want to be able to show different video sources that aren't tethered to the computer you're using via USB, it really opens up that whole world of IP video, whether it's a smartphone, whether it's a camera on the other side of campus or at your office, whether it's one of the many video sources that you're using on your local area network. It's now available as a webcam source, which truly does open up a whole new realm of opportunities for NDI. All right, well, that's all for this video. In our next video, we're going to be looking at NDI tally lights. Don't forget to let us know what you're learning in this book. We'd love to know, are you using NDI webcam input? Is this software going to solve a solution for you, solve a problem that you've been dealing with? Is NDI webcam input any good? Let me know in the comments below. Let's have a discussion about this awesome piece of software, and I'll see you in the next video.
All right.
Yeah, my stuff is all completely different from yours, so.
Doing all this from scratch.
But I should be able to.
All right. Camera's up on OBS. So we got camera, we got your chat, we got your speaking, we got my volume. It's all into one mixer, unfortunately, but I can control that mixer on my computer, which is where the fun will begin. I can change the mic, chat volumes, and all that crap from my actual computer. It all gets thrown into one mixer here. NDI source, we're gonna mute. If I turn up the graphics, I'm pretty sure graphics picks up nothing. Good. It's not supposed to pick up anything. Okay, we'll just keep it muted because those are just extra audios that get brought in. If I delete them, they will do the thing. Okay, so camera's up, audio's up, screen capture's working. I know that. Now it's the chat box, and then getting cute with it. So chat box is like the hardest thing to get to work. Let's see here. How to link YouTube, Twitch. Well, actually, we'll do how to link Kick and Twitch. Chat box.
Kick to Twitch. They're two separate entities.
I understand that.
Oh.
You aren't listening. How to link Kick and Twitch chat boxes.
The OBS?
In OBS.
Oh, okay. That I don't know how to do. I was gonna say I'm linking them because I'm logging into Streamlabs with Kick, which is new. Whenever you're able to do it with Kick.
It's been there for a while.
Oh, I haven't tried to set it up again in over a year, so.
All right.
It's been a while.
This lady goes over.
Build a website you love.
Let's see what she has to say.
With Wix. For your words,
Go.
Hello everyone. In this video the first log in. Before I start, I would really appreciate if you leave, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to go to Google and search for streamoments.com, log in. In my case, I will use Twitch, but you can use YouTube tools. Overlays. New overlay. Stream will have the chat, my settings. Here, you can leave it on dark chat. Here, in high, I will choose color of the text between 25 and 30.
All right. This is all gonna be done on this thing now. So far, this rest test has been pretty good. Computer's not being utilized very much. It's doing its job.